Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix the SpareBank 1 payment not going through issue. First, check your internet connection and make sure that it is stable. A weak connection can interrupt the payment process. Next, go ahead and check your account's balance to ensure you have enough funds for transactions. Then, carefully view who the recipient's details such as account number or IBAN. Correct details can cause the payment. Details can cause the payment to fail. Then swipe up from the bottom of your screen. Look for the app. Swipe it away, completely closing it. Wait for a few hours and then reopen it. Make sure that the app is updated. Head over to your App Store or your Play Store. Search for the app and update the app to the latest version if you've not updated it, as outdated versions may cause the transaction issues. If the payment still does not go through, wait for a few hours and try again, because there may be a temporary server issue. That's how you fix the SpareBank 1 payment not going through. Subscribe for more simple and helpful guides.